Hello, good morning viewers. Here are 11 word problem questions, and I have sorted out all of these questions from a grade 9 worksheet paper in Canadian curriculum. You can see them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11, and we have their corresponding answers here. But for me, I'm going to start from the last 6 questions. Therefore, I'm going to begin with question number 5, taking one at a time. So in this tutorial, I'm only going to work on question number 5. But if you need the rest of the questions, let me highlight them for you so that you can give them a try. You can see the questions here. All right, now let us go to question number 5. Here is the question number 5. Let me read the question. The question stated that Maria bought 12 books for the sum of $660. These books are of two categories. There are math books and the science books. Each math book cost $60 and each science book cost $50. And the question asked, how many of each book did she buy? I believe you can solve this problem using system of equations, that is simultaneous linear equations. But for me, I will take a systematic approach. Let me form a table here. The table will be, let me start with books, number of books, then the cost of each book, then the total cost. So we know that we have two books, the math book, then we have the science book. All right, coming to the number of books. From the question, we have seen that we have 12 total number of books, including the science and the math books. So since we have 12 number of books, let me say that let the number of math books be x, right? And to find the number of science books, we are going to take away x from the total, which is 12. So we have 12 minus x. What I mean here, suppose we have 5 math books. Definitely, you know, the science books are going to be 7 because the total are 12. Therefore, 12 minus 5 will be equal to 7. That's what I mean here. But from the question, we have learned that each math book costs $60. So let me write $60 here. Forget about the unit. In the end, we can bring it back. Then for the science books, each cost $50. To find the total cost of all the math books, we are going to multiply x by 60. So we have 60x right here. Then for the total cost of all the science books, we have 50 multiplied by 12 minus x, because 12 minus x is the total number of science books. But again, from the question again, we have learned that the total cost is 660. So if we should add this total cost, we are going to get 660. So what are we going to do here? Once we add 60x and the 50 multiplied by 12 minus x, we are going to obtain this 660. Can you see how systematic this approach is? And we are almost done. We have a 60x plus 50 multiplied by 12 minus x. This will be equal to 660. Let me expand this bracket. We have 60x plus 50 multiplied by 12 is 600 minus 50 times x is 50x. And to the right hand side, we have 660. Now let us take this 600 to the right. We have a 60 minus 50, which is equal to 10. So we have 10x. And to the right, we have a 660 minus 600. Then x to the left will be equal to 60, right? Because 660 minus 600 is 60. To find x, we divide both sides by 10, which is the coefficient of x. Finally, x is equal to 60 divided by 10 is 6. Let us find 12 minus x, but 12 minus x should be equal to 12 minus 6 because x is equal to 6. Finally, we have 12 minus x to be equal to 6. So both x and 12 minus x are equal to 6, but x represents the total number of math books, while 12 minus x represents the total number of science books, and that is what the question is asking us. So let us make a conclusion here. Therefore, the number of math books are 6, while also the number of science books are 6. You know, we even have some answers here. Question number 5, you can clearly see that we have 6 math books and also 6 science books. So in tomorrow's tutorial, we are going to look onto the question number 6. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye bye.